Today I'm going to tell you about how to protect your friends list on Facebook. If you found this information valuable, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. After subscribing, feel free to click the like button. Let's get started. If you want to make your Facebook friend list private, so that only you or your favorite friends can view it, I'll show you how to do it. Whether you're using a mobile device or a computer, the steps are exactly the same. First, go to your Facebook settings on a mobile device, go to the menu page. If you are on a computer, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select Settings. On a mobile device, find the Facebook menu, which is usually in the bottom right or top right corner, depending on your device. Tap on the menu icon and then either tap on the settings icon or scroll down the page to find the settings and privacy section. Tap on it and then select settings. Once in settings, scroll down the page until you see the audience visibility section. Click on how can people find you and contact you. In this section, find the who can see your friend list option. It's set to public by default. Click on it to open other options. If you want to make your friends list completely private, select Only Me. Once you're selected Just Me, give it time to refresh. Now only you can view your friend list. You can also select specific friends or friend list or leave it visible only to friends, depending on your preference. That's it. Now you can use Facebook as usual, knowing that your friends list is secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.